Welcome back guys. Rematch is now available on PC platform, day 1 Game Pass release. In this video I'll be testing it on my Rog Ally running on Windows 11. It's an online football game in which the players control a single footballer on the team, switching among attacker, defender and even the goalkeeper. At the moment this game does not have any offline mode. It may get released in the future. Currently the game features 3 quick play modes, 3 vs 3, 4 vs 4 and 5 vs 5 and 1 rank mode, 5 vs 5. The game is set in closed virtual reality arenas with no fouls, no offside or any breaks in play. The ball doesn't go out of play, so there are no throw-ins or goal kicks either. This game uses easy anti-cheat. I would not recommend using any mods. I wanted to use AFMF, AMD's travel level implementation of frame generation, but the game's profile did not pop up automatically in Adrenaline software. I was able to access the Adrenaline settings by creating a desktop shortcut for the game's main exe file and then manually adding this shortcut to Adrenaline software, but this way the game's easy anti-cheat implementation didn't get initialized. I was not able to play any online match. I did try AFMF in practice mode, observed a lot of ghosting around the character model, so I would not recommend using it. Instead of using AFMF, I'll be using LSFG version 3.1. It's a part of a paid application called Lossless Scaling that sells on Steam store for around $7. Before jumping into the gameplay, would like to thank Keymailer for providing me with a free monthly subscription of PC Gamepass. This subscription gives us access to hundreds of games. We can play these games for as long as we want until our subscription expires. Games from first party Microsoft Studio and even third party studios are available on PC Gamepass. Even EA Play membership is included. In India, Microsoft even supports UPI mode of payment. Frame generation section, type set to LSFG 3.1, mode fixed, multiplier 2. Will try to double the FPS, flow scale maxed out, performance mode disabled, not using any of lossless scaling upscaling algorithm. Sync mode set to default, maximum latency set to 1, draw FPS setting enable, capture API DXGI, queue target 1, clip cursor setting on, hotkey for enabling LSFG control alternates, start as admin setting on, minimize the app. Steam is not running in the background. For this game I have set the UMA buffer size to 4 GB. My Ally is running on BIOS version 341. I have installed Ally's latest official GPU driver that adds support for Doom the Dark Ages. Using a 27 watts manual profile, all 3 power values set at 27 watts, 900p resolution, CPU boost disabled. Connected my Flydigi Vader 4 Pro controller to Ally Bluetooth mode, X input controller, launch the game. In-game settings, display mode borderless window, 900p resolution, VSync disable, no FPS cap applied, anti-aliasing method set to TSR. Game does not support FSR and XeSS upscalers. Motion blur disabled. Everything set to high except for post-process quality. It's set to low. That's it. Using custom Afterburner overlay to show you the performance metrics. Start a quick match. 3 vs 3, 4 vs 4, 5 vs 5. Select this one. Connected to a 5 GHz band Wi-Fi channel. I'm from India. Hopefully latency won't be a problem. Guys, I waited for 10 minutes but the match did not start. A matchmaking error popped up. I'll try starting the 3 vs 3 play mode. Match found. Took about 2 minutes connecting to server. And match is about to start. Okay, here FPS is close to 60. That's good to see. Hitting the GPU bottleneck. This game uses Unreal Engine 5. Not observing any stuttering. I'll just assist my teammates new to this game. Goalkeeper saved it. Going after the ball. Okay, I'll try to steal it. Goal. I'll quickly enable LSFG. FPS without it stays within a range of 50 to 55. I'll just apply a 58 FPS cap before enabling LSFG. Use RTSS. Can't pause the game. Yeah, enable LSFG. Match is going on. FPS with frame generation is close to 100. The game is running very smoothly. Oh no, that's a goal. We are trailing 1-3. During cutscene FPS stays close to 50. Base FPS 50 to 53. Still it's a smooth experience. RAM usage below 3 GB. Not hitting the GPU bottleneck. Game's performance here is limited by the single core CPU performance. Latency is not an issue while using LSFG. Oh no, teammate lost the ball. Try to get it. Got it. I am going the wrong way, my bad. Someone made. Waiting for the pass. No signs of stuttering. Excellent experience on Rog Ally. Trying to steal the ball. Finally got it. Lost it so quickly. These guys won't let me score. Sprint. Not sure why the 5 vs 5 player mode didn't work on Ally. Maybe due to my internet connection, server side issue. Hopefully the issue will get resolved soon. So that's it with the video guys. I hope you find it useful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.